All right, so one analyst on Wall Street thinks that C Limited can rise another 50%. Current price, you're looking at roughly 80 or so dollars, which is a good target. Now you can see from the monthly chart, prices bouncing off this resistance support band. And if you scroll down to the weekly chart, you can see as it bottomed out and started rising, it did form a weekly buys level at $44. However, two things going against price right now is that the RSI is approaching overbought territory, and price has to deal with this support resistance band at, say, $66. Now, before we continue with the analysis, let's actually look at the news. So it's been a tough year, or a couple of years, for C Limited. The company, three operating segments include video games, e-commerce, and financial technology. As they were all hammered by the downturn, the road back has been a long one, but on the heels of the company's fourth quarter financial report, analysts increasingly remain optimistic or becoming optimistic. Analysts at Jefferies recently boosted their price target to $82 from $80 while maintaining a buy rating on the stock, which represents roughly a 52% increase compared to Monday's closing price. The analyst views were boosted by the results of Shopee, company's e-commerce platform, saying it continues to strengthen service quality, price competitiveness, and content. He also noted that gross merchandise volume is expected to climb by high teens year over year, while its adjusted earnings before EBITDA is expected to be positive in the back half of 2024. Now, perhaps the biggest reason to celebrate is that C Limited was in the black in 2023, making the first full year of profitability since the IPO in late 2017. Despite the trajectory and the remarkable strides C Limited has made to get its financial house in order, stock is remarkably cheap, selling for roughly 2 times sales. Furthermore, analysts' consensus estimates are calling for revenue to increase by 26% and earnings per share to soar 468% by 2025. All right, so this is and has the makings for it to be a good trade. All right, I just want to look at things on the daily chart. And right now you can see price is now above all the moving averages, more importantly above the 200-day moving average. So potentially price is in a secular bull market. And we could see if you look at current price and go to the left, it did close this gap. Now, kind of looking at the price structure on the daily chart within this weekly buyers level, just trying to read price action. And as price was leaving the zone, again, took out pivot highs to the left. And as you can see on earnings, we had a gap higher. So, two opportunities here. The chart is suggesting you short if price climbs higher, or if you get the pullback, which is ideal, you go long. Again, with the price target being the $80 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.